Make a great choice today with the 2020 RX 450h. The RX 450 Hybrid sports the innovative ECO mode, allowing your vehicle to consume less energy and regulate the throttle response for even more acceleration. It also features an exhaust heat recovery system that turns off the gasoline engine more quickly, allowing the vehicle to function on battery power alone. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, stability control, starter type, motor generator, regenerative braking system, ambient lighting, power brakes, braking assist, traction control, air conditioning third row independent controls, airbags, driver, knee. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.